Welcome again to my channel. I just wanted to make this quick video to let you know that I hit a major milestone in my drip faucet. If I compound my claimable drip, I will have 10,000 drip in my deposits. I started with drip in April 2022 and managed to build my balance to 10,000 drip by compounding and using the dollar cost averaging strategy. Let me compound the available right now, so you can see it live. I will speed up the video, so you don't have to wait for the transaction to complete. Okay, we are now at 10,000. Congrats to myself. I will now earn 100 drip every single day, and I will not change my strategy and keep compounding until I reach max payout, which will be in May this year, according to the Drip Formulate website. This is a very handy tool to use, and Forex said in his latest AMA that this tool will be implemented in the new Drip user interface, which will soon launch. I am just 10 days away from 11,000 drip, which is just crazy. I am still very bullish on drip, because there is so much new stuff coming up like the new UI, the fiat on-ramp, the lending protocol, scratchies and much more. Forex has put a team of skilled developers on drip, and they are working around the clock to make drip shine again. The drip community is strong and takes incentives to support the drip price. People can now use the burn function on the DripFi website to lower the circulating supply of drip, so there's no need to mint new drip tokens. The drip tokens are not really burned, but they are sent straight to the tax vault. If you also want to get in the best DeFi protocol ever created, then don't postpone, and get your drip at a discount. I am not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never put in more money than you can afford to lose. But if you have been thinking about joining drip, then this is a great time to get in. Download my drip tutorial if you have no idea how to get started from my website. I will drop the link below in the description. You can get in drip as a solo player, but you can also join a team and receive free drip airdrops every week if you join my Dripaholics team. The link is also below. If you don't want free drip, that's perfectly fine. If you like the idea of receiving free money, then use my second buddy address and every week you will get free drip tokens in your faucet from my airdrops. Be sure to join my Dripaholics Telegram group if you use my buddy address, so you are always updated when I send out the airdrops. Remember that we are in a terrible bear market, but drip is still holding strong and paying out 1% every day, without any delays or changes to the contract. No other DeFi platform has a proven track record like drip has. You may call me a drip maxi, I don't care. When I check my stats, I see my faucet growing, and that's enough for me. I trust Forex. He is an incredible developer, and he will not leave drip. Once the Animal Farm protocol is at full speed, and all the bells and whistles are in place and producing free passive income 24/7, drip will rise again and take back its place as the only king of DeFi. The Animal Farm is also doing very well for me. The pigs and dogs price has been down a little, but this is completely normal. Taxes on dogs are getting lower every day, and people are selling and taking profit. This is what crypto is all about. Investing capital and taking profits when possible. Remember that dogs are free money. You get free dogs by staking your crypto and adding liquidity to the platform. The longer you keep your dogs on the platform, the more pigs you earn to put in the pig pen, and the more BUSD dividends are generated to put back in the protocol and make even more money. The Animal Farm is a magical ecosystem that creates passive income. I don't have any plans to sell my dogs or pigs, because I have big expectations for the farm. Once the bear market is over, people will see that the farm is paying out for real, and big money will flow back in again, and those who have been patient will reap the rewards. This is my personal opinion. Let me know if you don't agree, or if you have any other ideas in the comments below. Thanks again for watching all the way to the end. If you liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the small bell icon to get the latest videos first. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.